Hello everyone, my name is Kid D, and today I'm going to do a trade recap of what I took today. Today I took two trades, one on NASDAQ on my futures account and another one on my Forex account. So I'm gonna just show you those two trades. So both were losses, but both of them are those losses that really hurt. So this is what I start my day 7 a.m. I'm on the charts. I see price creating this demand zone. Now, if you look to the left, there's a supply zone with a gap over here. Mark that up, like this supply zone right here. And I'm not gonna lie, I was just so confused. Like, okay, originally I was here, like when, price, when I started to trade this morning. I was here. I saw this really clean demand zone right here, but of course I saw the supply zone, and I was thinking like, does it make sense for me to go for buys here? There's this really clean supply zone right here. I'm like totally unsure. So let me just obviously go back. We already know what happened, but like let me tell the story. Um, so yeah, so price was like continuing. I was worried, I was panicking. I saw price tap into the zone with this candle right here, and I was just like, is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go up? I literally have a clip on my phone that of me like just panicking about this trade. But anyway, price tapped into it, but I was just like, no, I was kind of like set on demand. The EMAs weren't necessarily the best. Like, yes, we have the 13, we have the 50, but the 200 EMA is like kind of right in between, like across price, which is not necessarily like how like a good thing. Um, so anyway, this price action was happening, but then, it blasted out of the zone, and I was happy when this happened because I was just like, okay, it's less likely for cells to be the thing right now because it kind of let me just pull this up. Like this was the zone right here. So when I saw this move, I was just like, okay, I ditched this zone. I ditched this zone and then I put it for this one. As you can see, it's already there. And so when price did this, I was really happy because I was just like, period, blowing past that supply. I can get rid of that. Now I can just think buys and not feel like that pressure. Price taps into my zone. I, of course, take it a break of the candle. Now, as you can see how that move was, this move gave me break of the candle. I got in, maybe probably a little bit above here, but either way, I got in. My stops was there, and price hit 1-to-1 TP. But if you saw just how quickly that move was, it was quick. And I this is on my fault. I didn't have like TP or yeah, like I didn't have this tool right here, like how you can like select your positions. I didn't have that on TradingView, so I didn't really know what TP was because I just wasn't expecting a move. Like usually it's kind of like breaking a candle, it's a little bit, then it kind of moves a little bit, kind of goes in your direction, plays with your emotions, and then decides to hit TP if it wants to, or something. So when this happened, I was just straight panicking. I was just kind of like, okay, okay, this looks good, this is good, and then boom, it just went right back down, and I was just like, oh, okay. So I obviously I put my stop loss here, and on the next candle, that happened. That happened on the next candle. So I already hit TP, but I didn't close it because I wasn't really prepared, but I gotta be prepared and I know that now. So that was annoying. And then price just stopped me out. Then I left the charts. I was like, I am done. What happened after was this. And it hits the demand zone I was originally. This is the stuff that makes you just like, ugh, frustrating. Literally taps into the zone. Taps, like a little tap. And then it just explodes. It just explodes. And it goes even higher. Look, I'm just, bro, imagine being at work, working a whole 9 to 5. You check the charts like a couple of minutes after, and you see this. I'm I'm hurt. I'm hurt. in a good or bad way. The one thing I have to say as far as like I'm happy is the fact that at least what I did made sense. At least what I did wasn't dumb and I was wrong about the direction. Of course, you never know, but it was just like at least, like it's not a terrible loss, right? Because this was a move that I was already thinking about. It just didn't happen at the time I was at the charts. So that was frustrating. And then so the next trade was actually on a forex pair, which was UCAD. I of course, invert my chart so everything, even if it's a sell, it looks like a buy. But if we go back here, select this, I saw this when I was at work, and I was just like, oh, okay, this looks nice. Like here, like a classic supply zone, right? I go in, break it a candle. I put a stop loss in TP because I'm at work and I can't really just like focus at the charts. So yeah, and I even accounted for spread this time, which is something that I rarely do. Like, but now I was accounting for. So, I usually put my TP or stop loss right underneath here, but because of spreads, I was just like, okay, I checked it and it was like 1.3. So I got the measuring tool. I brought it down and I put it even further down. I put it 2 pips, just in case. What does price do? Bro, okay. Cannot make this shit up. It's crazy. So obviously breaking a candle was this one right here. Yeah, price on TradingView, if this was futures, of course, price I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. I probably would have because, stop loss would have been here on futures. So I probably would have lost anyway. I take that back. But it just hurts when you see shit like that and guess what happened? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I don't know what happened after that, honestly. Oh, 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 amazing. So this was an even better trade compared to NAS because the EMAs, at this time they were just lining up like we have the 13 EMA, 50 and the 200 EMA right underneath price right there, just trying to carry it up or down in this case. And yeah, that sucks. But at the same time, I'm kind of happy because that was a trade that I took. And while I didn't capitalize on it, it's nice to know that if the circumstances was just a little bit different, I could have. And also other people had. And it's the exact same setup that I would have taken, no doubt, because I take the exact same setups all the time. And I'm just happy with myself that, I'm disciplined enough to keep on taking the same setups even though I'm experiencing loss. And yeah, I'm just proud of myself because I know that I'm good. Like there's things that I need to adjust and tweak and understand more for sure, but I know I'm not done with this shit. Like I know that I know it and I know that I can handle it. Can I handle every situation? No, but I know that I got it. So while seeing stuff like this is frustrating, it also allows me to believe in myself even more because it was just like, Kadi, you may have not been able to capitalize on this, but at least your idea was good, right? It wasn't some dumb shit where it was just like, no, no. Exactly what I wanted to happen happened. And it's like, you know, I wouldn't have been able to do that a year ago. So I know that I'm on the right path. I know that I'm getting better. But yeah, those were the 2 trades that I took today. I'm not trading Wednesday, but I am trading Thursday and Friday, so hopefully I'll get a recap video of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning from my mistakes, whatever they may be. But, alright, see ya.